that lunch now. Our stuff ain't too shabby. Who's there? Sorry, fella, but I don't speak bird. If it's my food you're after, hey, you're not getting it. Stop staring at me. Would you stop following me? Listen, Featherbrain, I just ate all my food. I don't have any more, okay? Besides, I wouldn't give you any even if I had some, so get lost before I lose my temper. What is your problem anyhow, walking all weird with your big fat melon head facing the wrong direction? I don't want to have to fight you, bird, but I will. Got it?